You are most welcome to the Value Education class. Books, our best friends. Books are the quietest and most constant of friends. They are the most accessible and wisest of counselors and the most patient of teachers. Charles William Eliot. So, this line is written by Charles William Eliot. So, what he is telling that books are the quietest, most constant of friends. So, books are the quiet means it doesn't tell anything, it doesn't make sounds, but they are very good friends of us. They are the most accessible and wisest of counselors. So, counseling means someone will talk with you, you will feel relaxed. So, this books are the wisest of counselors and the most patient of teachers. Okay. Next, book are our best friend. So, books are our best friend. They open doors to the world of knowledge and we learn so much about life. They tell stories of adventure, history, humor, amazing facts, and much more. Books can make you travel throughout the world. Reading is a great habit as well as hobby. So books are very good friend of ours. They gives us knowledge and we learn much more about life, because when we are reading a story we are learning some things about the life discussed over there. We are reading the different characters and those characters are giving the ideas of the life. So they tell us many adventures, we can read from there. In many things we can learn from the books and it is a very good habit. Okay, next. Did you know that what exercise is to the body, reading is to the mind? So, what is telling? That if you are doing exercise, that means it is giving strength to your body. And when you are reading, it is giving strength to your mind. With proper exercise, we grow strong and healthy. Similarly, we get informed by regular reading and we develop the ability to think. And the more we think and understand, the better we do in life. So, what is telling that if you will read, it will give more information to your mind, you will get more thinking ability, you will develop your ability to think, and you will understand more about the life. A well-read person is always respected by others. In your growing years, it is important to keep good books as your constant companions. Books give you knowledge, make you think sensibly, and help you become a better person. You can use your learning to be successful in any field of you choose. So, a well-read person, that means who is reading, who will read, is always respected by others. So, everyone will respect the person who is reading. In your growing years, if you will read, it is very important to keep good books. You have to read good books that will give you knowledge and that will help you to know how the peoples are around you. Have you heard of Abraham Lincoln? He was one of the greatest president of America. In his childhood, he was very poor and had worked too hard to earn his living. He loved reading but could not afford to buy books. He used to borrow books from wherever he could. Once he borrowed a book from his neighbor. It rained heavily and the next day and unfortunately the book got wet. It was completely spoiled. Lincoln went to his neighbor and apologized. He wanted to pay for it but had no money. He offered his service instead. The neighbor told him to work in his field for 3 days to cover the cost of the book. Lincoln was not only willing but happy to do any work that would earn him a book. Such was his love for books. Many years later, he became the president and of the United States of America. So, have you heard Abraham Lincoln, who was the greatest president of America? In his childhood, he was very poor and he used to borrow books from others. And once, what happened? It rained heavily, and so the book got wet and it spoiled. So he went to the neighbor and apologized. That means say sorry. But the neighbor told him to work for him in his field for 3 days. Abraham Lincoln done it for happily. Next, do not read in a hurry. Read slowly to understand. Develop a curious mind. Ask questions and seek answers. So not only reading, you have to understand it. You have to ask questions to yourself and you have to try to find the answers over there. Always consult a dictionary for difficult words. Yes, it is very important. If you don't know the meaning of the words, you will not get the story, what it is telling. Make reading a regular habit. That means every day at least 2-3 pages you have to read. Sit upright and read in a well-lit room. That means whenever you are reading, you have to sit straight and in a well-lit room. Well-lit means the light will be proper in that room. Exchange books with friends and return them in good condition. Yes, you will take the book and you will tear it and then you will return it. It will be not good, isn't it? Join a library to get variety in reading. Yes, if you want to read various types of books, then you have to join a library. Do not spend too much time watching television and surfing the internet or playing video games. Make a timetable for yourself and include a time slot to read every day. Books are our best friends. Next, we will discuss the questions in the live class. So, read the chapter and what you learned that books are our best friends. So, we must make a habit of reading. We can read various types of books, various story books, so that we can gain knowledge from those things, those books. And more we read, we will get more information about our life and it will be easier for us to live in life. Okay. So till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time and keep reading.